Bridging the gap, the power of Refund Advance Loan. Life throws curveballs. The car needs an urgent repair. A medical bill arrives unexpectedly. Rent is due, and the funds are tight. For millions of Americans, tax season brings the anticipation of a much-needed refund. But sometimes, the wait feels impossible when expenses demand attention now. Waiting weeks, sometimes longer for money you're counting on, can create significant strain. This is where a financial tool like Refund Advance Loan comes into play. Offered by participating tax professionals, it's a short-term loan based on your anticipated tax refund amount. To be clear, it's not your actual IRS refund arriving early. It's a loan against that expected amount, designed to provide access to a portion of those funds much sooner, often within hours or days of the IRS accepting your electronically filed return. If you are enjoying this video, please help us by hitting the subscribe, like, and share button. Your engagement helps more people just like you discover our videos and access this valuable information. Expanded Benefits Section 1. The number one benefit? Speed. When the unexpected strikes, a sudden car breakdown demanding immediate repair, an urgent medical expense, essential home repairs like a failed furnace in winter, or even the need for emergency travel. Waiting weeks for your IRS refund simply isn't feasible. A Refund Advance Loan can dramatically shorten that wait, often putting funds in your hands within hours or days of IRS acceptance. This immediate access can be the difference between resolving a crisis and facing severe consequences. It means potentially avoiding costly late fees on rent or critical bills, preventing utility disconnections, sidestepping painful bank overdraft fees, and even protecting your credit score from the damage of missed payment. Crucially, for many, it also means avoiding far more expensive forms of debt, like payday loans, with their astronomical interest rate, or high-fee credit card cash advances that start accruing interest immediately. Expanded Benefits Section 2. For individuals and families managing tight budgets, perhaps due to job loss or reduced hours, a Refund Advance Loan offers more than just quick cash. It provides stability. It acts as a crucial tool to manage essential cash flow, ensuring groceries are bought, transportation is covered, and the lights stay on. It can function almost like a temporary budgeting aid, helping absorb financial shocks without completely derailing your plan or forcing you to dip into long-term savings. For some, particularly those who may not qualify for traditional loans or credit cards due to credit history, a refund advance might be one of the most accessible short-term options to get needed funds, subject to eligibility criteria. Beyond just covering emergencies, accessing funds sooner can sometimes allow you to take advantage of time-sensitive opportunities, like putting a deposit on a much-needed appliance that's on sale. Ultimately, knowing you can bridge that gap quickly provides significant peace of mind, reducing financial stress during an already demanding time of year. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to support our channel by hitting the subscribe, like, and share buttons below. Your engagement allows us to reach and help more people just like you discover this valuable content. However, like any financial product, it's absolutely vital to approach Refund Advance Loans safely and ensure you're working with reputable providers. Historically, navigating this space could be challenging. Finding trustworthy tax professionals who offered these loans with complete transparency wasn't always easy. Concerns about unclear fee structures, hidden costs, or even predatory terms were valid, leaving many consumers hesitant or unsure where to turn. This is where innovation like the TaxApp Marketplace makes a significant difference. TaxApp has built a platform specifically designed to address these past challenges. It serves as a bridge connecting taxpayers directly with certified and verified tax professionals. More importantly, it helps users identify those professionals who offer safe, understandable, refund advance loan options. What does certified and verified mean on TaxApp? It means the platform takes steps to confirm the legitimacy and credentials of the professionals listed. TaxApp focuses on creating a network of ethical providers. For those offering refund advance loans through the platform, there's an emphasis on transparency. The goal is to ensure that any loan options presented have clearly explained terms, conditions, and any associated costs laid out up front. No surprises. Through the TaxApp Marketplace, you gain the power to easily search for and identify tax professionals in your area, or virtually, who provide these specific loan services. You can compare their offerings within the app environment and feel significantly more confident that you're choosing a reputable provider vetted by the platform. TaxApp helps remove the guesswork and uncertainty, reducing the risk associated with seeking these types of funds. Refund Advance Loan, when accessed responsibly, can be an incredibly useful tool for managing immediate financial need. They provide speed when waiting isn't an option, stability during uncertain time, and can help avoid more costly financial pitfall. Thanks to platforms like the TaxApp Marketplace, finding certified professionals who offer these loans safely and transparently has never been more straightforward. It's about bridging that financial gap confidently and efficiently when you need it most. TaxApp Marketplace, connecting you to trusted tax professionals and safe financial solution. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Your engagement helps more people just like you discover our videos and access this valuable information.